Hello, and welcome to STA 2023 Statistical Methods. I'm your instructor, Professor Al Grocha. Welcome to the course. You're signed up for an RTV, that means real-time virtual. Our class meetings will be in Zoom on Monday, Wednesdays from 10 to 11:15 a.m. To enter the course, you go into Canvas, into our Canvas course, and then on the left you'll see Zoom. Click on the Zoom. And notice that all the class meetings will be here. You simply click on join. I'll be in the class early if you want to pop in a little early and make sure everything works, or if you want to click on it, just make sure everything works. Also in the welcome message, I've included the direct link to Zoom in case anything doesn't work that day. But I look forward to meeting you on the first day. I'll explain everything in the course, but if you want to, please take some time to go through, check out the Canvas course, your course schedule, your grading scale, your start here. You can look through a little bit. When you go to start here, there's a lot of good resources in there that you can go through. Check all that out. There'll be a couple assignments that I'll talk about on the first day that you'll work on the first week. And you can go to syllabus on the left. Click on syllabus. You can read through your syllabus to be prepared. Office, student engagement hours, how to contact me, a lot of good information in here. But again, I'll go over all of it on the first day. I just wanted to send a little video and a message to say welcome. I look forward to connecting to all of you. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.